I swear nature mimics exactly what we need when we need it. We're all just the mirror for each other. All the time. Not just sometimes. Not just when we're slow enough to digest the reflection that is being mirrored back to us in that moment. A lot of times we're just moving too quickly, distracted from being able to see what's directly presenting itself in front of us from the natural intelligence of life itself, who is always looking out for us. And of course, with that is death. Like, death is not separate from life. They are one and the same. So, where death occurs, there's still life being reflected back to us. What's a loss is a gain, and what's a gain is a loss. There's so much magic here on this plane. We've just become blind to it. Keep your eye open. Stay curious. Don't let them convince you that you're just a human being. Beneath you is a beautiful spirit, a beautiful soul. We're not separate from the beauty that we see.